This is Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 2 of our guide on Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner. In this segment, we'll provide practical tips and insights into using this product effectively to maximize its benefits for your vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, you'll find valuable information on how to make the most out of Lucas Oil's Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner. Overview of Lucas Oil Safeguard product. Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner is a powerful solution crafted to counteract the negative effects of ethanol-blended fuels on your engine. It helps prevent corrosion and moisture buildup in the fuel system, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. This product is suitable for use in both 2-stroke and 4-stroke engines, making it a versatile choice for various vehicles and equipment. Key features of Lucas Oil Safeguard. Corrosion protection. Lucas Oil Safeguard provides a protective barrier against corrosion, safeguarding vital engine components from deterioration. Moisture control. By reducing moisture buildup in the fuel system, this conditioner helps prevent fuel contamination and engine issues. Cleansing action. The formula includes detergents that help clean fuel injectors and combustion chambers, promoting better fuel atomization and combustion efficiency. Stabilizes fuel. Lucas Oil Safeguard helps stabilize fuel, preventing phase separation in ethanol-blended fuels and ensuring reliable engine operation. Improved performance. With regular use, this fuel conditioner can enhance engine performance, fuel efficiency, and overall reliability. How to use Lucas Oil Safeguard. Using Lucas Oil Safeguard is a straightforward process. Simply add the recommended amount of conditioner to your fuel tank before filling up with gasoline. The dosage instructions may vary based on the fuel capacity of your vehicle or equipment, so be sure to follow the guidelines provided on the product label. Regular use of this fuel conditioner can help maintain a clean and efficient fuel system. Why choose Lucas Oil Safeguard over other brands? When it comes to choosing a fuel conditioner for your vehicle, Lucas Oil Safeguard stands out for its exceptional quality and performance. Unlike some competing products, Lucas Oil Safeguard is specifically formulated for ethanol-blended fuels, offering targeted protection and enhancement for engines that operate on such fuels. The proven track record of Lucas Oil in producing top-tier automotive products further reinforces the reliability and effectiveness of Safeguard. Make the smart choice for your engine's health and longevity by opting for Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner. Tips for using ethanol fuel conditioners. Using ethanol fuel conditioners can help improve the performance and longevity of your engine. Here are some essential tips to ensure you get the most out of your ethanol fuel conditioner: proper dosage and mixing instructions. When using an ethanol fuel conditioner, it is crucial to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the proper dosage. Adding too much or too little conditioner can affect its effectiveness. Typically, you will need to add a specific amount of the conditioner to a certain volume of fuel. To ensure proper mixing, it is recommended to pour the ethanol fuel conditioner into the fuel tank before adding the fuel. This allows for better distribution and blending of the conditioner with the fuel. Make sure to follow the instructions on the product label carefully to achieve optimal results. Storage and safety recommendations. Proper storage of ethanol fuel conditioners is essential to maintain their efficacy. Store the conditioner in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Keep the container tightly closed when not in use to prevent contamination. When handling ethanol fuel conditioners, make sure to wear protective gloves to avoid skin contact. In case of accidental spills, clean up the area promptly using appropriate cleaning materials. Additionally, always read the safety instructions provided by the manufacturer to ensure safe handling and usage of the product. By following these tips for using ethanol fuel conditioners, you can effectively enhance the performance of your engine and prolong its lifespan. Remember to always refer to the product label for specific instructions and recommendations tailored to the ethanol fuel conditioner you are using. After delving into the benefits and features of Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner, it's clear that this product stands out as a reliable solution for maintaining the performance and longevity of your vehicle's engine. With its ability to stabilize fuel, prevent corrosion, and clean injectors, this fuel conditioner offers a comprehensive approach to keeping your engine in top shape. Make your engine last longer. By using Lucas Oil's Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner regularly, you can ensure that your engine remains protected against the harmful effects of ethanol-blended fuels. This means fewer trips to the mechanic and more miles on the road for you to enjoy. Improve fuel efficiency. Not only does this fuel conditioner protect your engine, but it also helps improve fuel efficiency by ensuring that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. This can lead to savings at the pump and a greener footprint for your vehicle. Peace of mind. With Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner in your arsenal, you can drive with confidence knowing that your engine is getting the care and protection it deserves. Say goodbye to worries about fuel quality and focus on enjoying the ride ahead. In conclusion, investing in Lucas Oil Safeguard Ethanol Fuel Conditioner is a smart choice for any vehicle owner looking to extend the life of their engine and optimize fuel efficiency. Give your engine the care it deserves and experience the difference for yourself. We hope you found this information helpful in maintaining your engine's health and longevity. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.